To use screen mirroring with Firestick, start by ensuring your device and Firestick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for a stable and seamless connection. First, go to the Settings menu on your Firestick by navigating to the home screen and selecting the gear icon. Then, select Display and Audio, followed by Enable Display Mirroring on your device. Whether it is an Android or iOS device, go to the Settings menu and look for the Screen Mirroring or Smart View option. The exact steps may vary depending on your device model, but it is usually found under the Connections or Display section. Once you have enabled screen mirroring on both devices, your Firestick should appear as an available device to connect to. Select the Firestick from the list of available devices and wait for the connection to be established. You will know the connection is successful when you see your device's screen mirrored on your TV. You can now use your device to stream content, browse the internet, or use any other app, and it will be displayed on your TV through the Firestick. To end the screen mirroring session, simply go back to the Settings menu on your device and select the Stop Mirroring option. Or press and hold the Home button on your Firestick and select Mirroring to stop it. Best practices include ensuring your Wi-Fi network is stable and secure, and keeping your Firestick and device software up to date to avoid any connectivity issues. By following these steps, you can easily use screen mirroring with your Firestick and enhance your viewing experience.